In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Read and Write extension that the district has installed on your Chromebooks. So if it doesn't appear when you open Google Doc, there should be a new taskbar for the extension at the very top of any document that you open or browser or anything that you can really edit or manipulate. If it doesn't appear, the way that you get it to appear is you go right here to this little puzzle piece. It says extensions, click on that. And then you're going to look for the extension that says Read and Write for Google Chrome. Click on that extension and it may have you approve some stuff, but if it doesn't, then you have all these additional features at the top here, which are also available for you to use in addition to the Google tools that are already at the top of the document in a Google Doc. The cool thing about this is one feature that it has is that it can read the text to you. So if you highlight a section of text and you go to right here, it says Audio Maker, and you click on it, it'll take that section of text that you highlighted and it'll read it aloud to you. Another cool feature that it has that you can use is, say you wanted to text to speak and you wanted to type something in the document and you don't literally want to type it, you just want to say it. If you go right here where it says talk and type, you click on that feature. See how it starts to write what I'm literally saying right now? It makes it so that you can type into whatever you need to do just using your voice. The only thing that's different is that you have to express the punctuation marks. So you have to say period, and then a period will appear. Another cool feature that it has within the Read and Write tool is that you can highlight a section of text and then use these quick markers instead of having to go and search for the color and the highlight color tool.